Another video. Today we are solving question 1389, create target array in the given order. So in this question, we are given two integer arrays, nums and index. And essentially what we need to do is we need to input the value of nums at the value of index into a new target array. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first we need to initialize our target array. So we'll say target equals empty array. And then from here, we'll go ahead and loop through our nums value. So we'll say for I in the range of the length of nums. And then from here, we simply need to go through nums and insert that value at the index of our index array into our target array. So we'll say target dot insert, and we'll put index I, because we'll be on the corresponding index that we want to insert at, and then we'll say insert at index I, and what we want to insert is our nums value, so we'll say nums I. And then that's it. So simply from here, we can just return our target array. That should work. Awesome, it does. So let's go ahead and submit that and make sure it works for all of them. And it does. Awesome. So that is my solution to question 1389, create target array in the given order. Let me know, guys, if you learned anything at all. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel a ton, and I do appreciate all the support you guys can give me. Other than that, have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.